Hi there. So this is Beverly, and I am here at 5950 North Petunia Terrace. And the last video that we had showed the house full of furniture and everything else. It has since had the personal property auction and has been emptied out. So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough so that you can have a good idea of what the house looks like without all of the extras. We're in the living room, 3,304 square feet on the roof, 2,173 square foot of living area. The house was built in 2004, but you can see it's got the 10-foot ceilings and it has the archways. And the coolest thing about it is that every one of these corners are rounded. So when they did the construction, they actually had a lot of extras added into it. Great room. Formal dining room, drop tray area, tray ceiling up in the living room, dinette area, kitchen's all tiled. She just put a floor mat on top of the tile. Cabinets, well maintained. When we sold the personal property, you should have seen these snap-on tools. They were amazing. Back around here, pantry, washer and dryer, laundry room, master bedroom, big walk-in closet, master bedroom here, high ceilings, sunken tub. Even while the owner was in the rehab nursing home, she had somebody come in and clean it and keep it up to date. There we go. Walk-in shower, linen closet, bathroom, high ceilings again. We're gonna walk through. It's a 2-car garage with a workshop on the other side, which makes it really nice. I'm gonna walk back to the second bedrooms and third bedroom. Another closet here. Big, bright rooms. Double doors, bifold. Bathroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. Another little step-in walk-in closet. And if you'll be patient, I'll walk you to the garage. Oh, and there's a patio in the back too. Really nice patio. Big backyard, a full acre. There we go. Shed in the back. Really nice neighborhood. Lots of great houses. Pine Ridge has an equestrian center, has a golf course, has community clubs. You're close to Citrus Springs with schools. I mean, really nice little neighborhood. Not little, but let me take you to the garage. It's full closet here. Find lights. There we go. Big garage. Looks a whole lot different, doesn't it? Overhead. And now we're going over into the separate, this was his wood shop, got a lot of extra power brought in, and a door out to the outside. So if you have any questions, check it out. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll talk to you soon.